What's the height of this? 2.1?
Yeah.
The doors are 2.1.
The doors are going to be 2.1.
Where's James?
Hello, mate.
We got the breaker. That's all right, actually. It's all going to go back, but that's going to land there.
Oh, these might come out.
Tools.
Lavish.
You're not useless, you're awesome, dude.
Don't call me awesome. It's awesome.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah, that's awesome. Do you know what the secret of comedy is?
Tell me what the secret...
Climbing.
I'm not a fan of these sandy ones, but give it a go. It feels a bit sharper than this one.
Obviously, I should have had a recip saw.
I use a multi-tool for everything now. It's called a multi-tool for a reason.
The bloke who put that timber in is now long dead. And the bloke who took it out isn't far off. Ah, look at this bird's mouth, James. Looks like I did it.
Oh! That's more than 2/3, isn't it?
It is more than 2/3, my mate. When you see the way they used to put lead in, just made it easy for thieves. Now we use mastic, and I've got to say the mastic is a better job.
Yeah.
So we don't need a violin bow then? Or is it better with a violin bow?
I don't know, I've never tried it with a bow.
We're going to get one.
Hold it like that.
Is it got to be a distant? That battle's been fought and lost, depending on which side you're on.
Yeah.
Too late. I'm not taking it down again so you can film it again. James, you want to use a clamp up there?
Yeah, good idea.
Dylan's great clamp.
Let's use one of these Work Pro ones.
I would.
Seeing as we're pros.
Yeah, all day long.
Bingo.
Can you go up a bit, mate?
Up?
Yeah. I meant to bring it in. Did I not?
That pulled that in nicely.
1985.
That batten's got to come out.
Yeah, 1985. Do you want to go up a bit?
That's right, I've got to support there and here.
Okay, oh, okay.
So we're all good.
So I'm doing nothing.
Pretty much.
Great thing about James, we don't hire him for his looks.
I'd get no work if that was the case.
Put your glasses on. Put your glasses on. Right. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you've said nothing yet.
So Roger, I'm going to give you a 2-minute tip tonight.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Oh. Remember doing the fascias?
Yeah.
You've always got an bit of off-cut of fascia.
Yeah.
So to mark your nails out, 2 little notches, work from the top or the bottom, and there you go, you can bang now in there, slide it long, no marks, nail it home.
So you just start them off.
Start them off.
Pull that away.
Yep.
Off your uncle. So you want it roughly 150?
No, exactly 150, Rog.
Oh, Dan, look, we're not building a piano.
That's what you think.
We want to get paid.
You'd leave them rafters in, didn't you? Yeah. Yeah, just cut the hip out.
Demolition blades from Milwaukee.
Sawzall blade.
That's what they are. So you got a squirrel's nest in here.
On these skill saws, I like this one. It's a little 18 volt one hand up, hold it up there. So for cutting these off, it's ideal. But this one's much better, more powerful, but far too heavy for me to keep holding up there all day. So a few guys have asked me about the skill saws. Roger, going back to the conversation this morning about perhaps putting double up sterling board.
Yeah.
Perhaps we should put a timber on there and get a real good fixing. Then I can fiberglass, it'd be a lot more solid.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it?
Yeah. Wasn't that what I said, Dan?
It was, Rog.
You see
But
what
you was
he's doing?
confusing me.
This is psychological warfare.
Yeah,
now.
I was, yeah, he's on me now.
Now there was a time we would have just run this roof right straight to the front, put a gutter all the way along the fascia, but nobody wants that anymore. They all want secret gutters. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a fascia up there. We're still going to run it to the front, but we're going to catch it in the little secret box gutter that we're making up. And what Dan's done is run a string line from the highest point at the end all the way down to the lowest point. He's put a fall on that. So what we're going to do then is we're going to line this with a bit of 18mm OSB GRP down the front of here in the gutter, up the other side. That would be lovely. It'll never leak. You're better than I thought.
Had me moments.
Go on.
So I've just covered
So have you
that.
not fixed that? Was that just like a booby thing?
Yeah. That's better. Right. Yeah, okay. What do you want me to do?
We're going to have lunch in a minute.
I'm just going to drop that on now. This is our fascia, and then that's going to pop on there like that. And then this is our guttering, a nice wide gutter. That we have all sterling board on there. So fiberglass down there along there, full coming down there, and that'll be masked up for a bit of fascia. That's butted against that this time.
Foul carpenter.
That's better.
Leave my body alone.
Right.
Hello. Thank you. That's the kind of shot that you win Oscars for.
Should we get a sheet down there, and then I can put this on top of it?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, I'm going to, yeah.
Right.
You're rushing me, Dan.
I know.
Centre.
Yeah.
There.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you're back there, look.
That's it for the day now, isn't it?
Yeah, I've done my bit. Right. All yours.
Do you want another one up there or not? Okay, Dan, it's yours.
Yep.